Eddie, this is Karli. We're two Brits, we're living in Brooklyn, and we just wanted to find a place that we could escape to at the weekends. We love upstate, we love how peaceful it is up here. So we thought, why not? And build our dream A-frame house.
So when we designed the interiors of the A-frame, we wanted a really modern, sleek, yet inviting look. We drew inspiration from Japanese architectural styles, Scandinavian styles. You can see we've got white shelving and white cabinets, and they feel really sleek.
So I love cooking, so the kitchen was a really important part for me. I love doing Sunday roasts, breakfast, brunches. So when we worked with the form design team, I wanted to make sure that everything was really easy to use, all in a very compact space, which I love, so I'm not walking all around to get everything when I'm cooking.
I think what we did is we really sat and thought about what matters to us. So we just got really clear on things like that were important, and then you can start to build the design and interiors around that, right? Something that has wellness elements, a great space to cook in, place where we can host family and friends.
So working with the form team has been exceptional from the beginning, and they gave us some great ideas of what we could do. So we're really happy with how it came out. We love the finishes and we love using the kitchen, so I would give a thumbs up to the forms team.
He loves it.
I love this house.